Welcome to Frontline USAX. If you like my video, please subscribe it, comment it, share it, and support me. Today's our topic is what if humans suddenly got superpowers for 24 hours. Okay, we discuss our topic. Imagine wake up waking up one normal morning and within seconds realizing that something is completely different. Your body feels lighter, your senses are sharper, and before you even understand what is happening, you discover that you have powers, abilities that no humans have ever experienced before. Now imagine this is not just happening to you but to every single person in the world. For the next 24 hours humanity suddenly gains superpowers and the world is about to change in ways no one could have predicted. At first, it feels exciting. People test their ability, someone jumps and suddenly finds themselves flying above the city. Other person move object without touching them, while someone else discover they can run faster than any vehicle. Social media explodes with videos of people showing off their powers. An entire world is in shock but also filled with excitement. This is something straight out of a movie, but now it is real. In the first few hours, everything feels like a celebration. People laugh, cheer, and explore what they can do. Friends gather to test their ability. Together, families record moments that feel magical and unforgettable. Children, especially, are amazed by what they can suddenly do. It feels like the world has turned into a playground where limits no longer exist. But as the time passes, things being to change. Not everyone use their powers for fun. Some people start thinking differently. What if these powers can be used for personal gain? What if someone decide to break rules or take advantage of others? This is where the situation start becoming complicated. Imagine a person with invisibility entering place where they should not be. Someone with super strength breaking into secured areas, or a person with mind reading abilities invading the privacy of other. The balance of society being to shake because laws were never designed for a world where everyone has powers. Governments around the world quickly realized that this is not just a fun event but a serious situation. Emergency meetings are held as the leader try to understand what is happening and how it control it. But controlling billions of people with superpower even for a single day is nearly impossible. At the same time, there are heroes emerging, ordinary people who decide to use their powers to help others. Someone rescue people from accidents, someone stops a robbery, someone use their speeds to deliver medical supplies in record time. These moments shows the best side of humanity, providing that the power can also bring out kindness and responsibility. However, not everyone is a positive. Chaos slowly starts spreading, traffic system collapse as people no longer follow normal rules. Flights become dangerous as individuals fly freely in a sky. Communication networks struggle to keep up with the sudden overload of activity, and confusion spreads is no one truly understand the limits of this power. Now imagine the emotional impact of people. Some feels power and
Some
confident,
try to
while
use
other
every
feels
second to experience something
overwhelmed
extraordinary, while others start
or
thinking
even
about the damage
scared.
that might
What
remain.
if
In the
someone
final words, emotion become
cannot
stronger. Some people feel
control their
sad
power
knowing this
properly?
that this
What
is
if a small
incredible
mistake
experience
cause
is about
harms?
to end,
This
while
fear
other
creates tensions
feel
and
uncertainty among
relief
people
that
who were
life will
celebrating
return
just hours
to normal
ago.
relationship
As
or
the clock
tested. Are
continued
people
to tick,
reflect on
the
how
world
they
became
use their powers? Did they help others or did they
as the clock
act
continued, the world
selfishly?
becomes a mixture of wonder and a
And
chaos. Some
suddenly
cities
just
turn
it's
into
being
a sense
everything
of
stored power
excitement,
disappear
while
and the
others
world
struggle
returns to its
with
original
disordered
state,
people
but nothing feels
being
the
to
same anymore.
realize
People
that
have
having
seen
unlimited
what is
power
like to
even
have
for a
unlimited
short
ability,
time
and they
comes with
have also seen the
responsibility and
consequence of
consequence.
it.
One of the
The
biggest
next day
questions that
the world wake
arises
up
is
to
what
new
happened after
reality,
24
not
hours. Will
because
everything
power still
return
exists but
to normal, or
because
will there be a
perspectives
lasting
have
effects?
changed.
People
People
start
remember the
preparing for
chaos,
the moment
but they
where their
also remember the
powers will
kindness,
disappear.
the bravery, and the possibilities. Government study what happened, scientists try to find explanation, and society beings to ask the deeper question about power, responsibility, and human nature. The biggest lesson from these 24 hours is